Imagine a future where professional networking isn't just online, but happens autonomously. Automated friend connectors are pioneering this transformation, revolutionizing business growth. These intelligent tools analyze professional profiles and interests, matching individuals seamlessly. They enhance connection quality, creating networks that aren't just wide, but profoundly effective. What does this mean for businesses? Efficiency skyrockets as companies access a broader talent pool effortlessly. Sales pipelines thrive as precise targeting aligns potential partners with business goals. Yet, there's more. Automated networking fosters inclusivity, breaking geographical and social barriers, ensuring opportunity is equitable. As automation takes the helm in nurturing relationships, businesses must adapt, embracing this paradigm shift. Ultimately, this innovation promises a future where growth and connectivity are inherently intertwined, shaping tomorrow's corporate landscape.